Good evening all. I am just about to make my famous batch of roasted almond butter. It's a weekly staple that I have to make at least once a month. I will make this stuff. Previously I used to buy it and that tends to add up. So I thought, I've got my brand new Optimum blender machine now, so that is one of the benefits. I can make my own nut butter. Before I show you how I make my almond butter, I wanted to share with you why I myself have replaced peanut butter with almond butter, and in fact why I advise a lot of my clients to replace their existing peanut butter with almond butter. Now, as a nutritionist, I design my clients' diets, and there are certain clients who will come in, most of them actually, if I see that they have peanut butter in their diet, I will most of the time replace that with almond butter. And now the reason for doing that is if we compare almonds to peanuts, peanuts can be quite inflammatory. They're also known to grow mold on them, and these are in the storage places that they're housed. They contain a lot of lectins as well, which are quite inflammatory, and they're actually a legume. So anyone on the paleo sort of diet or similar diets to the paleo diet where they're trying to avoid legumes and lectin containing foods, peanuts are high in these things, so another reason to avoid peanuts. Also, peanuts can be more acidic on the body, so people who have more acidic diets already, people who are meat eaters, for example, who already eat lots of dairy, who exercise a lot, people who have highly stressed lifestyles, this can all add to acidic burden on the body. So peanuts are another acidic food which can contribute to more acidity, whereas almonds tend to be more alkaline. So it's a great alkalizing food to be eating. They're really high in protein, lots of different minerals, including magnesium, about 20% magnesium, which is fantastic for muscles. What I love about almonds is they're really high in the antioxidant vitamin E. That's really great for anti-aging. It's great for reducing inflammation in the body as well. So, and as I said previously, they are alkalizing to the body. Now, as with all things, they are higher in the fats. They are high in healthy monounsaturated fats, so that's great for heart health and people who have cholesterol, but everything in moderation, as usual. So without further ado, let's get into making it, and it's just so easy to make your own almond butter. So what I have is, right here, I have roasted 2.5 cups I have here, and I just bought some organic Australian almonds, which are, the best quality that you can find. 2.5 cups. I'm going to throw them into my Optimum blender, which I will show you in a second. Here we go. There it is, right there, next to my fruit bowl. And what I love about this thing is you just put the lid on top and using this to push down as I go. So I'm going to put it on a high speed, and it's probably going to take about 2 minutes or so, but I won't bore you with all of that. I'll try to fast forward it for you and we'll see what the finished product looks like. Firstly, I wanted to say that the reason I roast the almonds first is because roasting actually helps the oils, the almonds secrete their oils a lot better. And not only does it taste nice to have the roasted almond butter, but the oils actually help to make into a butter faster as well. So you can choose to not roast them if you prefer raw. However, you might need to add an oil if you're not going to roast them, something like coconut oil or almond oil if you have, just a couple of tablespoons. However, I'm not adding any oil or salt. These are going to be unsalted. It's just 2.5 cups of roasted almonds. And here I go. Okay, now the moment we've all been waiting for. So that took about 2 minutes, literally. Let me test it with a spoon so we can see the consistency. And I like mine to be smooth. Wowzers, that looks so good. Check that out. Nice and smooth with a bit of chunk. Oh, I'm gonna taste this. That looks so good. Wow, that is so good. I can literally eat that whole spoon, but I'm not going to. I'm going to save that for a smoothie or a shake. But that is so ready. I'll just show you again that consistency. Look at that, gorgeous. Yeah, so I'm happy with that. All I'm going to do now is place this in a sterilized glass jar, and I'm going to use it throughout the week. I'll let you know what recipes I use it in. Definitely adding it to my smoothies because of the protein and vitamin E content of almond butter. Also, I love adding it to my 𝐜𝐴 as a dessert, my coconut yogurt with berries. Love just dipping some freshly cut apples and dipping them in like a dip. It's really great because you have the protein, plus you have the nutrients from the apple as well. There are so many things that you can have almond butter with: celery sticks, carrot sticks. Remember, it's high in protein, antioxidants, and fiber as well. So great addition to your everyday diet. Give it a go. If you are interested in having one of these Froothie machines, which whiz this up so easily, I have a link on the bottom of my Instagram post. Just click on the link and you can find all kinds of information. If you want any more information or want to chat to me about the machine, the nutrients, or anything else, please feel free to DM me and I'll be happy to help. I'm going to get into this and enjoy it. Have a great night.